be at peace with yourself and at war with the world. To have peace, you know, what is peace? Is peace just two birds flying in the wind, a dove hanging on the porch, bird hanging on a branch? That's all peaceful. But they all endured a storm last night. They all endured a storm yesterday. So, to be at peace with yourself and at war with the world. The world was at war with the birds. If you get what I'm saying. The birds had to be at peace with themselves and have faith that they would be okay throughout the night. They just sat there, let it rain, and they had peace, knowing although everything around them, I'm sure they prepared to the best of their abilities. And you look at them now, it's a beautiful day. The birds are chirping. And they're at peace with themselves. Although they were at war with the world yesterday. So they had faith. Which is amazing. Very beautiful, if you tell me, if you ask me. And that's how it should be. We're all going to endure a storm. We're all going to see rain. We're all going to see dark clouds. It's going to be really windy. I'm pretty sure some of these birds had their homes blown down, by the wind, by the rain, washed away. But they stick together. Feathers a little, weathered, but those new feathers are going to grow are going to be stronger. And the feathers they have now are going to grow stronger, heal stronger. And now they get to rejoice under the sunlight. That their faith kept them strong and on the right course. They might have felt fear. They might have felt afraid. They might have been scared for a moment, but they had courage to stand strong, to even fly in the wind, to fly in the storm. Just imagine yourself being a bird in a storm. You're in the storm, it's raining, everything's being blown away. And now, after the storm, there's the sunlight, you rejoice, you're still standing, you get to fly again and rebuild a new home. Yeah, it's gonna take some time. The next time this home's gonna be stronger than the next one. You change, you grow, you evolve. A stronger bird, and not just a stronger bird, but if you have a bird next to you, you become a stronger unit for the next storm coming. Feel me? You gotta be strong, you gotta be patient, faith, have faith. What is faith to you? Hope. Changes. People change little by little, but you should set an example. That's how it be. That's how it goes. That's okay. Due time, we all learn and adapt, and we're not all perfect. We're all human. We're human. Birds are birds. So yeah, I know. We're you can That's what makes us divine. That's what makes us miracles. We can fly in a way. We can be strong. Be strong. Have faith. Have hope. Rejoice in the sunlight. And don't give up. Be at peace with yourself while the world's at war. I would do that. I mean, why not? And yeah, I'm just spreading this words of wisdom and experience that I have, because yesterday, like I said, there was a storm. Very quick, fast storm. But it blew down a couple of, little birds' homes. The birds are chilling right here in front of me, like furrows. I believe this message is for you guys, for everyone, for me. It's all right. Everything's all good. Have faith, have patience. The storm might last a little longer. If you have to get up and go. Just be strong. Have faith that after the storm, everything will be all right. Be ready.